Hello and welcome again to another installment of the Vivaldi Systems Follow point-of-sale dry cleaning software. This video is going to be about delivery. Now, delivery gets a little bit complicated. The one thing about delivery, it is broken into multiple parts. So this video will take the setup part of delivery, and then we'll have a part 2 of delivery that'll actually get into a little more of the complex stuff. All right, so to begin with, when you're setting up delivery, there's a couple features that you have. You can set up delivery for hotels, you can set up delivery for home delivery, wholesale customers or offices, or just standard customers who walk in and drop something off and you want to deliver at their house. So because of that, I'm going to show you different aspects of the delivery and how they work. So let's start with the simple ones. I want to set up a home delivery to customers at their home. Okay? So there's a couple features for delivery. One is there's a little eye in the upper right-hand corner of the new Follow. You might need to upgrade to the latest version to get it. And that little eye will actually bring you to a website called the iHome Valet website. And that website will allow customers to search for your store using zip codes and allow the customers to sign up for service. You'll get an automatic email and they'll automatically show up in your customer database, and they'll automatically assign to a route and show up on your pickup reports. Also, those customers have the ability to log in and actually see their tickets, which is a nice feature. And they can change their schedule time as well, so that those customers can go on vacation or change to a different delivery day, or pay their accounts online or pay their tickets online. So you'll see here that this particular customer is set up for a Wednesday delivery. They like light starch, and they're set up for a one-time delivery, but they want to be put on regular schedule for the future, and they can hit save. So this website can be accessed by any of your customers using iHomeValet.com, and it integrates into your cloud version of Follow. Your customers can also see their tickets. They can see what tickets have been created, what the status of the tickets if they're ready to pick up. They can also access their accounts receivable, and they can actually make a payment using a credit card. We'll get more into iHome Valet later, but I wanted to show you how that works quickly. So the way you're going to work delivery is you first need to set up a delivery route. Then you need to assign a customer to the route. Then you need to write tickets for the customer. And then you need to print a delivery manifest on the day that that customer is assigned to. And it's going to print a report with their address and their tickets and everything. And then you're going to deliver the tickets. And then you're going to come back and process the delivery manifest. It'll automatically mark the tickets delivered and automatically charge their credit card or transfer to accounts receivable. So that's what I'm going to talk about today. So the first thing we're going to do is go to route management. And in route management, you'll see that there is route 0. I always recommend you create a route 0 non-delivery. That way all your non-delivery customers can be assigned to a non-delivery route by default. Then you need to decide what your routes are going to be. Now, route management's a little different issue. It's a little more complicated, but basically it's territories and days. So I want to deliver to these zip codes on Monday. I want to deliver to these on Tuesday. Now, you might do a pickup and drop off on Monday and Wednesday. So you'll see on this route management that we have a Monday-Wednesday route and we have a Tuesday-Thursday route. Why are there two routes? Because I, as an owner, want to go to the north end of town on Monday, Wednesday, and the south end of town on Tuesday, Thursday, or given cities or zip codes or whatever. But you can create as many routes as you want as long as each route has a unique route number. Now, to add the route, you just click Add, you add the route number, you put the description in, and you hit save. So for instance, if we go into Monday, Wednesday route, you'll see that there's a number and there is also a route name. You can put the driver in. All these are optional. You can select the days. It's optional. The only thing you need is a name and a number. Those are the critical pieces of the pie. Once you make those changes, make sure to hit save and you're done. So let's go back in as the manager, and I'm going to now go to a customer, and I'm going to add a customer and assign them to the route. So let's choose a phone number here, and I'm going to choose a name which is going to be delivery test, whatever. And I'm going to come down to the bottom section and select the Monday, Wednesday route. I'm going to assign them as a regular delivery. This is very important because if you don't put them on regular delivery, they will not appear on the pickup of the manifest regularly. If they're assigned once, then they will only show up one time, and then they will no longer appear on any other delivery until you turn once on again or you select the route delivery. At this point, you can also assign a stop. Now, this is something that you need to work out by looking at the maps, and I'll show you. We do offer some tools for automatic routing, and we'll go into that in another video. Also, there is a reorder button, so if you already have somebody on stop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, but you want this to go in between 5 and 6, then you just simply put 5 in here and click reorder, and it'll move all the other ones higher than this number up one number and slide this in between. Some people just naturally assign their routes every 5 so that you have space in between. That gets into a little advanced, but right now you just need to assign it to a delivery route, and the stop is optional. It's the order that it's going to appear on the pickup and the delivery manifest. The next thing you want to do is you want to select the form of payment, so go to accounts, and for most of your delivery people, you're going to assign an account. Now, for delivery, you do need an address. So it's very important that you have a delivery and a billing address, especially if it's an account customer. Now, if it's not an account customer, turn the account off and enter a credit card. Vivaldi has automatic credit card processing built in. That credit card processing goes through OpenEdge. If you want to sign up for that so that your system automatically charges their credit card behind the scenes when you process the manifest, even if you have 100 tickets delivered, it'll automatically charge all the ones that have a credit card on file. Then you need to go to our website under contacts and call the OpenEdge company and just tell them you bought the Vivaldi Follow and you want to set up credit card processing. If you do that, then you can actually save credit cards. It'll assign tokens, so you're not saving credit cards to your system, but it is PPI compliant, and you're saving credit cards encrypted at the credit card company, and it'll assign a token to each one of your customers and automatically charge and bill their token. Right now, we're going to set up this customer as an account customer, meaning that after I process the manifest, it's going to automatically transfer to the accounts receivable. Okay, there also is a map that you can push that will show you where this house is located, and you can insert them. So you need to do two things: assign it to a route, give it a stop in the regular delivery. Then you need to turn on accounts or assign a credit card number to that customer. Okay. Now, if you do want to give them a discount, here's where you can enter a discount, but most delivery people you're not going to give discounts to. So now let's hit save, and we have a test delivery customer. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to close, and we're going to come in here, and we're going to write a ticket for the test delivery customer, which is on Main Street, and we're going to write a ticket.